Hi friends, welcome to my video on Railtel Corporation of India. This week, Railtel Corporation of India is going to launch their IPO. We will see more about this company in this video. This is one of the mini Ratna companies of central government. It provides broadband and VPN services to railway passengers. It provides optical fiber cable network on exclusive right-of-way along the railway track. Its revenue was 1,038 crores in the year 2019. Through this IPO, government sells 20% of its shares in this company. It's planning to raise 890 crores through this IPO. Let's see the financial status of Railtel. Even though its total assets has considerably improved over the years, its total revenue as well as profit comes down drastically during the corona lockdown period. Let us see the details about this IPO. This IPO issue will be open from 16th February 21 and it will be available up to 18th February 21. They fix 94 rupees per share. The lot size is 155 shares. The maximum slot that can be applied is 13. So the minimum amount that can be invested on this IPO is 14,570 and the maximum amount will be 1,89,410. We see the key dates related to this IPO. The allotment will be made from February 23rd, 2021. The refunds will be provided from February 24, 2021. The allotted shares will be credited to the demat accounts of all LIT from February 24, 2021. It is expected that the IPO shares will be listed on the secondary market from February 26, 2021. Railtel is a very good company. It has covered 59,098 kilometers. It provides services to 5,929 railway stations across India. It is expected that the company will be benefited after the arrival of 5G technology in India. Experts think that it is more suitable for long-term and short-term perspective. We can expect good returns from this IPO. However, some experts felt that this company is overvalued, so it will be available less than 94 rupees of once it is listed in the stock market.